for today's episode is the Toolbox versus the Leatherman Wave Plus. I got 13 tools from my toolbox versus the 18 tools of the Wave Plus. Now let's talk about the features. When it's closed, it's 4 inches. When it's open, it's 6.25 inches. The primary blade length is about 2.9 inches. By the way, my toolbox weighs around 7 kilos. So this one's really better because it's just 241 grams. And all of the tools have locking features for safety, except for the pliers. The knives are accessible, the file and the saw, even while it's folded. There's also a lanyard. If you want to use it, just open the saw and use a small tool so you can push it outward. Then if you want to return it, if you don't want to use it, just push it back. For people who are into ham radio, there are tools that you can use here, such as the pliers, and then the cutters, the crimping tool, which is located here, and the wire stripper. The wire stripper is located somewhere here. So this one's not just a bottle opener or a can opener. It has also the wire stripper here. Okay, it's an excellent product. Now there's no need for me to go down because I usually store my toolbox in the car, which is parked at the ground floor. Alright, I'd like to thank Rob Taylor for the Leatherman Wave Plus. He gave me this as pasalubong from the US. I used to carry the sharp end multi-tool, but this one, this multi-tool doesn't have the pliers, which I like so much about the Leatherman products. So this one now will go to my emergency bag as a backup multi-tool. Thanks to you, Rob Taylor. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate your pasalubong. And regards to your mom, regards to your wife and kid. Shout out also to Raymond Ortiz. Amping kanunay bay. Thank you to all. Stay safe to all preppers out there. Thanks for watching.